Coming in, Gautam Shah, Associate Director and Technical Analyst at JM Financial, says the correction in the market could continue, and he adds that the IT space could see further pain going ahead.
I think the market is doing the normal. I think what's happening right now at the markets is a usual retracement of this entire run-up that we saw in the last 6 months. And I would like to believe that this correction, while it could continue for a couple of weeks more, I wouldn't give the markets too much downside from current levels. In fact, in an optimistic scenario or in a normal scenario, when I say a normal scenario, I mean no shock verdict, in the US next week, and nothing unpleasant from the borders, which has been pretty volatile in the recent past. If these two points are under check, I think the Nifty can find a bottom in the 8450, 8500 zone, where there is a lot of support. I think healthcare and IT have really been the biggest underperformers in the marketplace. I don't think this is going to change because the leadership in the market this time around is very different. I think the market is being led by the metals, led by the banks, led by the oil and gas stocks. And I think this trend is really going to continue getting into 2017. So IT, I think, can see more pain ahead. However, given the fact that it's already trading at 52-week lows and some stocks are looking terribly oversold now, you could see a temporary bounce, because typically when Nifty gets into a corrective phase, IT tends to outperform. So this is something that could play out in the next couple of weeks. But from a bigger picture perspective, there is no reason to buy into them just because they are this cheap. I think it's really been one of the pillars of this bull market. I think it's been a phenomenal mover, not on a 1 year, but even from a 1 year, 2 year, or even a 5 year time frame. And I think it's a sector wherein you need to have a substantial weightage into. And I think these stocks will continue to be more and more expensive. They have great setups. And whenever the Nifty goes through a period of correction like now, I think you have to grab into some of the auto stocks. And within the auto space, I think the two-wheelers are the ones that we are